Hey guys, welcome to Viral Digital Hazel's channel. I had to do this quick video for everyone who have been using SEO related tools. Guys, I wanted to share a very important news related to this tool that we are going to discuss in a minute. If you have been using Ubersuggest is now a paid tool. Let me show you what. Nothing is showing up. Let me see something else. So guys, if you go and try to get the keywords idea for any keyword, okay, if it says to login, let's log in. So this is what it says: upgrade to see inside some more keywords, and it will be built up 20 dirhams in my currency. And if I want to go for a yearly, then it's 200 dirhams, which is not bad, but we used to get this tool free to use before, and now it's paid tool. It's not free anymore. So when we are trying to get more keywords and to export and stuff like that, it asks us to upgrade. And if you are really used to this tool, then you can actually upgrade it to 20 dirhams per month. That's almost about probably $6 to $7 per month, which is not bad, but it used to be free before. Alright, so that's all.